If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter error sim message on your computer, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This error usually points to a browser authentication problem, a bad extension, cached data, or even a temporary issue on X's side. The good news is that in most cases you can solve it yourself in just a few minutes without needing any special tools. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, understand what error 7 usually means. On web and PC, this error often happens when your browser can't properly connect or authenticate with X's servers. That means something in your browser setup may be blocking the login process. So the first thing we want to do is test whether the issue is caused by your normal browser session. Open your browser and launch an incognito or private window. In Chrome, that's usually Ctrl-Shift-N. In Edge or other browsers, you'll find a similar private browsing option in the menu. Once the private window opens, go to X and try signing in again. This is an important test because private mode disables most extensions by default and starts with a cleaner session. If X works in incognito, then you know the problem is likely caused by a browser extension, saved cookies, or cached data in your regular browser session. If that still doesn't fix it, the next step is to clear your browser's cookies and cache specifically for X. Corrupted or outdated site data can absolutely trigger authentication errors like this. If you're using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, click the three dots in the top right corner, then open Settings. From there, go to Privacy and Security, and then click Clear Browsing Data. When the window opens, set the time range to all time so you remove everything related to the issue. Make sure to check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Then click Clear Data. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try X again. If you prefer, you can also clear site data directly for X, so you only remove the information connected to that website. That can be a little cleaner if you don't want to wipe out everything in your browser. Either way, the goal is to give X a fresh start so it can reconnect properly without broken login files getting in the way. Now let's talk about extensions because this is one of the most common causes of error 7. Ad blockers, privacy extensions, script blockers, VPN extensions, and even some security tools can interfere with the authentication scripts that X uses. If you tested incognito and it worked, this is very likely the issue. To check, click the puzzle icon in the top right of your browser to manage extensions. Then either disable them one by one or turn off the ones most likely to affect X, such as ad blockers or VPN tools. After disabling them, refresh the X login page and try again. If the site loads correctly, you found the problem extension. Another thing to try is disabling any VPN or proxy you may be using. X sometimes rejects or struggles with connections coming through certain VPN servers, especially if the IP address looks unusual or if the connection is being routed in a way X doesn't like. Turn off the VPN temporarily, refresh the page, and test the login again. If you're using a browser-based proxy or a network filter, disable that too while troubleshooting. If you still see the error after that, the next step is to check whether X is having a platform-wide issue. Sometimes the problem isn't your device at all. It could be a temporary outage, service disruption, or an authentication issue happening across the platform. Open Downdetector and search for X, then look at the outage graph and recent report spikes. If you see a large number of reports, the issue may be on X's end, and the best move is simply to wait and try again later. You can also check the official X status if available. At this point, most error 7 problems should be resolved. So to quickly recap, the best fixes are test in incognito, clear cookies and cache, disable extensions, turn off VPNs or proxies, and check for outages. Those steps solve the majority of web and PC login errors related to X and Twitter. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more fast and easy tech solutions. And if you're still having trouble, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you troubleshoot it further. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.